G here from OG Creations. It's time for another redo. In this video, I'm adding another layer to one of my Pride 2022 tees. I'll link the video of True Colors creation below. If you're from or even aware of the Pacific Northwest, you know that October 5th through July 4th is generally fall and winter season. If we see the sun during that time, it's a miracle. When I was planning what's next for this shirt, I thought it was giving me too many sun vibes. How can I darken it down to match the rainy season, but keep the surprise element with the rainbow peeking through? First, I soak them in soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes. While damp, I crumple each shirt and then set them aside for 12 to 24 hours until they're practically dry. Next, I generously apply Raven Black dye. I flip each shirt over and apply more dye. They are set aside again for another 24 hours. The shirts are then rinsed thoroughly in cold water, and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. I love it. Through the dark and gray, you can still see the rainbow. A visual reminder of no matter how hard something may be, clarity and hope is just on the other side. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.